everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, CarolinaTrailerSales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina, just outside of Greensboro. You can reach me at 828-773-4500 via text or phone call. We are by appointments only at this time. So what I have here is rare. This would be a 2004 Exiss 7-foot short wall. So that's a small short wall with a slide box. This is a Sierra interior. I will tell you, I have not seen one of these trailers in 7 years of business. So they are rare. So this would be a lightweight, all aluminum trailer with a slide box. So again, 2004 Exiss 3-horse with a slide. I'll just kind of step around. This trailer does have a lot of options on it. It's been very lightly used. It is a 2-owner trailer. The first owner clearly babied it. Second owner used it 3 times. Hydraulic jack, 2 propane tanks, 2 batteries. So I'm going to step around, and as you can see, here's the slide box. This is a 3-horse with an escape door. Drop windows on the last 2 stalls. Slider on the first stall with the escape door. This trailer does have a rear ramp. It does have a collapsible rear tack. It is 7 wide, 7 tall. It does have roof vents. So this trailer, again, doesn't even look like a horse has really been in here but a few times. The rubber on this trailer is immaculate. It does have a lower divider in the first stall. It does have a walk-through door. And again, it does have roof vents. The walls in this trailer are insulated. The ceiling is not. So again, this trailer is in excellent shape. Three-horse. All right, I'm just gonna kind of step out and kind of stand around the trailer again. The awning is in great shape. We have taken it out. It's huge. It's actually almost the entire length of the trailer. So again, I'm gonna step in. One little bit of damage would be speaker cover. Needs a new speaker cover here. Probably 2. They do work. However, they just don't look so great. Does have a pull-out step here. So this would be, again, a 7-wide, or yeah, it is a 7-wide trailer. 7-foot short wall. You can see the slide box. It's a motorized slide. So this does have a fridge. Single sink, 2-burner stove, microwave. Does have a shelf to put a TV. Has all the core outlets for a TV. Does have a cabinet in the nose for hanging clothes. It does have the shades for the windows. There is storage above the slide box. And this couch does make a bed. So the floor space is great in this trailer. I don't know, I've had several of these trailers without the slide. Great little trailers, but definitely called a compact. This makes this a little bit better than a compact, but yet you have the lightweightness of a lightweight aluminum trailer with a slide. So there is a skylight in the shower box. Does have cabinet behind the toilet. So hopefully this video kind of can give you a little bit better idea than my pictures on the floor space. So it does have ample space in the floor. This trailer is clean. I really can't fault this trailer for anything other than the 2 speakers on the outside that I just mentioned. I think that's it. The trailer is immaculate. It's been well taken care of. Everything does work. Nice trailer for someone to get started that doesn't want a really heavy trailer. So, I'm gonna step out. So 2004, all aluminum, Exiss 7-foot short wall with a slide, 7 tall, 7 wide, immaculate condition, lightweight, ready to go. Carolina Trailer Sales, CarolinaTrailerSales.com. You guys have a great day.